Okay, you're doing pretty. Yeah, we're gonna park it right here. Right here.
And a spider web.
You ready? Can you make any bone armor?
Can I make any?
Yeah.
I'm nervous about trying to make it.
Let's go inside real quick. I'll tell you if it's safe. Looks like the entrance is safe.
You want me to make bone armor here?
Yeah, I would. Because there's big things down here that we need to be ready for.
Wonderful. I need more bones.
Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have more.
There might be some more in the thing.
Eat and drink if you got it.
You don't need to eat or drink anything?
Oh, I'm eating and drinking right now.
Oh, okay. Hush. Put the lighter in the flashlight.
So there are big things inside this cave. It's just a heads up.
How to get the flashlight?
Yeah, click on it.
It doesn't. What the?
Pull your lighter out. That's what it should be.
That's what I was doing, but it wouldn't let me grab the flashlight. Maybe it needs more back. Okay, got it. Here we go. There's a clock over here.
Yeah, I picked all that stuff up.
Oh. You're so fast.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Not playing on controller.
More cat food? Oh, there's meat.
Yeah, I picked that up, but we can't cook it yet.
More bone. I thought it was gonna be like a can of chili, a can of beef.
Oh.
Because when I read the description, I was like, what do you mean cat food? Who's got a cat out here? That's a lot of skulls.
Warren would be happy. You got guys coming?
You do?
Yeah. Down the slope.
Okay. Oh shit.
Damn.
Throw a... There's a lot.
Here they come.
I don't like it when they crawl and when they jump. Oh, here's more bones.
Got a couple ticks on them. Oh, you're just going in.
I'm trying to help, but I don't really know how helpful it
Ow.
can be. Ah! Because by the time I make it down, you've already like killed everybody. So. There's another one I just saw. He's in the water. He's in the water. Right there.
I see him.
He's over here.
Yeah.
You see any more down there?
No, I'm... Yeah, I got one. He's right here, by this light.
I'm gonna pop some more flares.
FYI, this is what we're looking at. Something to do with the island, I bet. I don't have to pop any flares right now, huh?
Paper right
here.
I'd get to like another opening and we'll pop flares then. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, a screwdriver.
Any more
More
loot?
loot anywhere?
No.
I've seen all these work things. Cool box.
There's an area down here we gotta go to. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me.
I like the wind.
Like sound of the wind.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Yeah, that's what got me. So it's these big open areas we gotta worry about because there's supposed to be something big.
How
How are we supposed to kill it? With a
grenades?
grenade?
Back up, back the fuck up.
What is it?
Shh.
See a
Dead
dead body.
body.
No. It's bigger.
No, don't tell me that.
It's very big.
We
Can we throw a grenade at it?
I'm going to.
You want me to throw a flare?
flare?
Why does it sound like that? Oh
I
my
got
God.
it. I told you it was
What is
fucking
it?
big.
What was that?
I told you it was big.
Oh, wow.
I saw it, I went, oh my god. Back up.
No wonder these guys are fucking dead.
There's more
Technology stuff.
Yeah. That's all. I picked it up.
I don't like that they wait like
every
around
like the corner, basically.
Yeah. I'm just glad I saw it.
I'm glad you did.
We would have to make a speedy retreat.
I don't
I really want to find out what happens if we die in here.
Flare up.
Take me a second. I hear music.
Got a couple sitting around.
Okay, here they come.
Here they come.
They all go to the left.
There's two over here. Right. Back up.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. No. It's creepy.
It's like a spider.
Yeah, it is. It's attacking. Please don't kill me. Just die.
Back up if you can.
I can't.
I'm just there.
You got it.
It's coming after. There's another big one. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Just walking around like, yeah, I own this.
this place.
I forgot you
You
have
have
a
a
gun.
gun.
That is not what effective.
Two.
Yeah.
Let's finish that one off.
I have grenades. Or you want me to save?
them?
Save them. Save them for something bigger.
What is it? Did you
So,
Did you see that?
what?
It looked like something came out of it.
Oh, my bad. Harvest it and put on that armor. The creepy armor.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
that's
right.
right. I forgot. We
And you can also harvest that big thing, too.
Why do the big weird ones always come?
after?
What's your health looking like?
That's the red one, right?
Yep.
It's still really good.
Okay.
I'm putting on the creepy armor.
Can you make any bone armor?
The music is just freaking out.
There's medication here if you need it.
I need like 2 more. I could have sworn I picked up.
There's a lot of bones over here.
Huh. What does it mean if it's pink?
What do you, oh, that's
Oh,
a
that's
creepy
the
armor.
Is it this? Shut up. Oh, it gives you one of those things.
Circuit board.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, there's some bone armor
There's
up
some
here.
loot over here. Model.
Yeah, I picked that up.
Well, you got everything. You said there's a lot of bones. Where?
Over here. I'm gonna go take out this guy real quick.
There's a lot of bones.
What's a guy over here? Oh, there's another creepy. It's in that bone pile. Right here. Heads up. Get him, get him, get him. Go in and collect the armor.
Bless you. Wrong button.
Get the bones. Put the creepy armor on. Should be looking pretty good on armor.
I'm just not as
as
fast.
fast as you when it comes to like
Doing
doing tasks
or
or
reacting. I think I'm all the way.
Let's look. Hey, we're looking pretty good again.
Why don't you wear that much?
armor?
I feel like you need more armor than I do.
Oh.
I'd rather you survive.
You see
Because
this?
I could get back to you quicker.
You see this cave drawing?
Yeah, I saw it.
What is that about?
It's something to do with the
Stay
cannibals.
Out. Bet it's something bad. It's in a box.
box.
They're like
They're like praying to it, yeah.
Yeah.
I
I
don't
don't like that.
That's
That's
the
the
mon-
monster.
Is that the boss? Is the boss in here?
here?
Uh-uh. This is an early game cave.
Okay.
Well, some of these things feel like bosses to me.
Yeah, that big thing that we ran into. I'm not too for sure what it was, but I didn't want to find out.
I
I see some more crawling around.
Oh, they're
Oh, they're
babies.
babies. Babies. Not the babies.
Babies.
coming up.
Oh!
They like
God damn it.
jump,
Freaking fly at you.
Yeah, they're
Not
creepy.
dead.
Oh my god.
Okay, got it. No,
Still
still
not.
not dead.
Yeah.
No, he's dead.
Pretty sure there's more in them. They're like swimming in the water. I hear them fall.
Oh.
Oh, they're crying. Ah, it's pretty.
They're cannibal babies. They don't have feelings. Just hunger.
I don't want to see the mom.
I think we killed the mom. That big thing that blew up? Yeah, I think that's the mom. Got more flares.
Cash. Money, 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 money.
What does this say? For the viewers. Gordon. Heads up. Something just crawled off to the left. It's a baby. Sent Sammy to dig in the caves. Cave next. Haven't heard back from him. Can you check up on him? To return my shovel, Hank. That's where we gotta go to next and get.
Yeah, that's what we gotta find is the shovel.
This isn't.
Oh, where the fuck is
This
it?
isn't the shovel cave. I don't think this is the shovel cave.
I knocked into one of those guys. These guys.
Yeah.
Like, you can. There's a loot that falls out.
Ooh, golf ball.
Like wire and money and.
Huh. Interesting. Flare up. Here's something big.
What direction?
Straight ahead.
Okay, so your straight ahead might not be my straight
straight
ahead.
ahead. Where are you?
Right here.
Right here.
Walk up to me.
Okay, so this way?
Yeah. There's something off to the right, I think.
Oh, what?
That's okay.
Can we throw another one?
Well, that's good.
Just make it more.
Don't like fumbling around in the dark.
I feel like I see better, honestly, with the light.
Really?
Because it glows whiter.
I don't feel the same way.
It's brighter, like in one spot, but it's hard for me if I can move the flashlight around.
I'm just walking.
Yeah, I know.
What's that?
Just a flashlight. Got a loot box right here. More food. I think.
There you go.
Oh, that's so ominous.
The red.
Just the.
The wind sound.
Back up. I saw 1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Oh! Ooh.
Shit.
Scared the hell out of me.
It's like waving its head at you. Jesus.
Oh, you got it. Let me harvest it so I can get some of the armor.
Ah!
The bats.
There's
There's
another
another
one
one
down.
down there.
you?
No.
Yeah, I grabbed the armor. I'm putting it on now.
Oh, it's running at me.
Over here.
Oh my god, it's so quick.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
and it's dark. It's hard to fucking see him.
Ow. So this one. Oh, there's two.
Oh, and
On that side.
Yeah.
that's
Where's the other guy? Over here in the bucket.
so
So
fast.
fast.
Did that flare stop?
Looks like a freaking boss room. That's why I'm slow rolling it. I see a light up ahead. And some enemies.
Throw another
Another
flare?
flare?
Throw it off to the right side of this room.
I gotta get one up.
Something's creeping in here.
Oh, I didn't pop it first. Damn it.
Oh, not that. That's not the right side, hun.
It was to me. From what I can see, I don't see anything.
Creepy.
You need another one?
No, this is fine. I'm good.
I want to pop.
Okay.
Hold.
Oh, there's another
Another
one.
one.
It's the big guy.
Okay.
How's your armor looking?
It's still
Go
good.
good.
Okay. I'll take it then. Tell me, you can't harvest anything, right? You can't harvest that?
No.
Okay. I don't know if we could double harvest or whatnot.
I don't know what happened
with
with
the
Bird.
bird earlier.
Just make sure,
Maybe mushrooms. No. Something creeping over here.
batteries.
I think they're babies. I think there are a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Lord.
Praise the boards.
When they move, it's
They're
so creepy.
Yeah, I know.
I gotta put batteries
in my flashlight.
Okay.
You ever ran out of batteries? Or,
No?
Got it.
Make sure you're knocking these guys. Sometimes they can drop batteries.
you dropped your light bulb.
Resident crash.
I want to know how we
Break.
put the light bulbs up because that was great. We can see each other.
See, like this one dropped batteries for me. Like batteries or golf ball.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been getting golf balls from them.
Well, I mean, they do have golf carts. Maybe that's what they're doing over there. Oh. Rich people. Yeah.
Yeah, that is what rich people do. That's facts. You coming?
Okay. It
What'd you-
takes me a minute to get stuff and actually see what I'm getting. That's what I mean. Oh, I'm just walking. Yeah, I know. You take 10 steps and I'm still like 30 feet behind you.
I'm eating and drinking.
I
I need to do that.
Mm,
Go ahead and just knock it out. So I think it helps your strength, your little muscle.
So, you need that to be red?
Yeah, well, I think it's like a level. So the more satiated you are, the better off you are. The more damage you do, essentially.
I'm gonna eat some medicine.
Well, your health should be full, right?
Oh, I
I
thought
thought
maybe
maybe
it
it
would
would help my strength. But
I don't think so.
okay. I'm good to go.
Flashlight.
Flashlight. There's two different ways.
Yeah, it seems like it.
You want to stay to the left?
Yes. We'll have to backtrack so don't come back here. More babies.
You're squealing.
Oh my gosh.
Another split off?
Yes.
Wow.
9mm ammo.
Caves
Bones.
Are freaking deep.
Don't like it having multiple splits.
Another.
Look for the T or the D.
Well, the thing is sometimes all I see is a wall, and I see your name icon, but I just see a rock. So I have to figure out what direction. Because there's been a time where I did that and I went the wrong way. I went around the rock the right way.
Anything moving around?
Thought I did.
Kind
Kind
of
of sounded like it.
Babies. It's another split off? No. Oh, that's not. Oh, it's another creepy behind you. I think I got him. Oh, I stabbed you. You need.
Damn, that's long, maybe.
You need more armor?
Um, you want me to have it all the way filled up?
Yes.
Then
Then yes.
I'm gonna take it.
Take it from this guy.
Perfect. We got it.
Armor's full.
Okay.
Whoa, what is that?
It's the rope gun. So I came in here for.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Perfect.
Perfect. That's perfect.
While we got a quick breather.
Do I use it
or do I just put it away?
I'll show you how to use it here in a second.
Just want to make sure
I don't waste something like last time.
Oh,
What's down
there?
there? Where did you go?
I'm right behind you. The cross, 9mm ammo, various crafting materials, on board notes.
Air in here. What?
What?
So I'm on the rope gun. I did the rope gun thing.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
didn't mean to, but how do I get back
You
up?
good down there? You can't. I don't think you can.
No.
Just stay put.
Something sounds creepy. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm scared. Ah! There's a couple of them. They're coming.
I'm
No,
coming.
it's a spider one.
I'm coming.
There's two of them.
There's 3 of them.
3 of the spider guys? Really?
You ready to attack? Reloading. Actually, I'm out.
That was it.
Make sure you loot their corpses.
Yeah. Did we get the third one?
I thought there was 3, but I guess there's only 2 because they have. Yeah, I think I saw 2 corpses.
Oh, I don't like that.
I don't like that. I didn't.
You loot their corpses twice?
There was cloth on the wire, and I thought I was grabbing it, and then gave me an option for a gun, and I was confused, and it took me.
Oh.
How do we get back
up there?
You can't.
Okay.
Okay.
Then how do we get out?
Piece.
What?
Or. We're gonna have to find the. We need to go find the artifact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other piece to that electric.
Yeah. It's like a underwater portion.
Oh,
lovely.
Oh, it should be good. Underwater, we have the rebreather, so we're good there.
how
How
is your
is your
flashlight
flashlight
not
not
dying?
dying?
Because
Mine,
like
like, my
battery.
battery's low again.
The battery replenishes by itself. Your guy just reloads it.
Oh. Okay. I didn't realize that.
Shit. Is this where the golf cart is?
Golf cart.
Yeah, it is where golf cart is, I think. Joe, what the hell are you doing out here?
Oh, it's
Following
falling.
us.
He's
He's a
fine.
spy.
Let's go back in there. Oh well, can we go back in there? We need it. We have to go back in there for the artifact piece.
So we have to go like to the right, to the left.
We'll go back to the entrance of the cave. It's all cleared out, so we can just kind of run through it.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah. It's over here.
Oh.
We gotta go back in, unfortunately. But we gotta keep our eyes peeled for the underwater portion.
I think it's for the shark.
Oh no.
Oh.
That's not where that is. It's on one of these. It's one of these branches that branch off.
The bad guys don't respond.
So I'm gonna do something kind of crazy.
What?
I'm gonna jump.
You're gonna jump.
down there.
Uh-huh.
There's
There's
not a
not
wire.
a wire or anything.
No, well, pull out your rope gun.
Huh? Can we put a flare down there?
No. Just pull out your rope gun and shoot it at that platform where that light is.
Oh, you can drink this water.
Oh, nice.
I don't
I don't
think
think it works like that.
it needs to
It
be
needs
like
to be like a long wire, I guess.
it goes
It goes
across.
across.
Because it'll give you the
It'll
option
to interact with it.
No. Like, you pull the rope gun out
Oh.
and just shoot it.
Okay.
It's in the little thing up top.
Okay.
So shoot it at that little platform.
What? Where the light is?
Yep.
Okay.
It's like a little dot that signifies where it's going to end up at.
Okay.
Now what?
You shot it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure you shot it?
Yeah, I see a wire going down there.
I guess I can't interact with your wire. Now write it down.
I'm in the water.
Well, I guess that's one way we know it's safe.
Well, I don't think I rid anything. I just jumped down.
No, you did just jump.
So, because I don't really know how to use it. Maybe it'll help me get back up, I guess. Did it let you do it? Or did you jump in the
No.
water?
I don't know how the rope gun works.
This water's freaking out.
I might have found the underwater portion though. You ready?
Mm-hmm. No. You guys put the tank on?
Oh no, that's not the underwater portion. Yeah, or you should have the rebreather. When you're underwater, does it say your oxygen level?
Yes.
Okay, you should be good. At least in the first game, it lasted a while.
Okay.
So you should be okay.
Can I get rid of this, rope gun, or do I still need it?
Yeah, you can get rid of it. But I'm gonna swim. I'll scout ahead for us.
Oh, I don't like this. I do not like
Oh, cave diving.
They knew exactly what they were doing. Like, it's scary. Because being in a cave is already scary, and then being in water, in the dark.
That's spooky. Come check this out.
What the fuck?
Another
Shaking.
Room? No.
Spooky. Flare up.
Hang on. Oh, well, that was not helpful.
It is another artifact, so that's exactly what we came for.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah. Make sure you grab it.
Where's that?
It's right here.
Where you are?
Yeah, just walk around. I think this is how we get off the island.
Oh, is it the artifact?
Yeah.
That's useful.
Very useful.
In the first forest, all the caves interconnected, so if you got lost, you might end up on the other side of the island.
Oh.
Yeah. I remember that, because that happened to me and Hunter.
Okay.
That's GTFO.
You go back.
Back into the sunlight?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
That's all we needed.
Bless you.
Thank you. Now how do we get back up? And
Do we have to go and get shovel?
yeah, we'll have to go get the shovel, but we're definitely gonna go take a sleepy. And then we'll plan to go to get the shovel from that cave, and then we'll get the shotgun. Oh, there's a rope up right here.
Well,
How wonderful is that?
I wonder where this comes out at. Ow. That's where we jumped down. Let's see what's over here. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah.
Just more dead guys.
Yeah. Don't fall. Oh, there's another rope.
We didn't have to jump down there at all.
No, that's just a fun way, I guess.
Well, if we can
Heads
actually
up.
see anything,
We got baddies up here again.
they respawn.
Just this guy, or we missed him. I got him.
I can't.
You gotta climb up the rope, hon. Over here by the waterfall.
Oh. You want next? Looked around and I couldn't see your name icon.
Yeah, I'm up. Alright. I think we got the hang of this. Let's just make it back in one piece. I'm surprised it's still daylight.
I am too.
I mean, it's nice
not
not
to walk out of darkness into more darkness.
Oh no, it's 10 a.m. Or it's... Yeah, it's 10 a.m. We stayed in there overnight.
You know, hard to notice that.
I kind of want to check out that other cave we drove past.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's important.
Okie dokie.
It was over this way, I think. But it wasn't marked down as cave on the map.
Maybe it's a small one?
I
I don't know. The caves that we've been into are really big.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll be able to find it again. We picked up the transponder. We stopped doing that. Here's where it crashed. Is it up here? No, I don't think it was up here. Bad guys. Hey. Where was it?
I don't know. Looks like smoke from a camp over here, though.
Yeah. Over here?
Oh, you still have your water thing on.
Oh, do I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Felt like it. Yeah, it's right here. I am so good with directions. Jesus. I feel like it's up here somewhere. Let's check this cave out. Don't know what I'm getting us into, so back up, or yeah, back up, so I can get another swing in without hitting you. Oh, it's not really a cave. Like, it doesn't have its own instance. Yeah, peat bag.
Whoa. It's like a feeding ground.
That's what it seems like. Where all the babies are. I'm dropping these ropes because I'm full up on ropes. So if you can pick them up, be my guest.
I am.
There's another one in this corner.
Box?
Oh, did I miss the box? Oops.
I think it just had bones in it.
Oh.
I don't know if I'll have anything different for you, but...
No, I just had bones, unfortunately.
Pull on rope.
Ooh, that was spooky.
Yeah. Creepy sound. Get that.
Slowly but surely move up. I think it's a dead end. But there's a note. What is that? What am I looking at? Looking like a chair? On a pedestal?
I guess so.
I don't know what that is. But okay, I'll take it.
Interesting.
I think that's it, though.
I think it...
Huh?
I don't know. It almost looks like something you do with fire, maybe? There's a turtle shell. I don't know. Maybe it is a chair.
Weird slice of life type of thing, but okay.
I don't like the sounds in this cave.
Oh no, there's another way up.
What?
Ooh.
Oh.
We got this. We got full armor, right?
I mean, I'm still pretty full. I could use maybe one or two more things, but... Water.
What the heck?
Again.
You swimming down this canyon? I'm gonna go the other. Let's go that other side where you're at. I think there might be something underwater here.
Go back up, because it's a dead end
up here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Weird. I'm going down, but I'm not seeing anything. Because all it does is comes up back up to this canyon right here. Maybe there's something up here? Possibly?
We're back outside.
No. We got big red guys.
Great.
Killing a big red guy. I was up on top of the rock.
Oh.
Smart.
Vantage point.
I have the high ground. Anakin.
I'm the king of the rock. Like from Mulan.
Find you.
I heard somebody.
Finish him.
Another one.
Man, just run.
A
There's
bunch
a bunch of them coming.
Let's make it back to the go-kart.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that was... It's just... What's his name? Joe?
I don't know where you I'm
Okay.
Right here.
Run! Hard to fight in the green.
Oh, I just chopped her head clean off. It went flying.
There was another little one behind her.
I'll catch up eventually. Hold up.
Way up here.
Is this... This is not where we came out at.
Maybe it's a different
golf cart?
I think it's a different cave entirely. Yeah, it's definitely a different golf cart.
So...
This cave is a different cave.
You wanna go in there?
Sure. Let's take a little peek-see, I guess.